Hello, friends. I hope you enjoyed January 2024, which was first month of the year. But there are many cyber attacks still happening in this new year, and there are many companies undergone very serious cyber crimes. And I'm going to discuss with you Cyber Threat Intelligence Advisory Report of January 2024. So we have tradition of showing the statistic of the cyber attacks happening across the industry, across the globe, monthly basis. So we what our team does is like we compile the various cyber news sources, which appears on our LinkedIn cyber news page. I will be sharing the link of it in this description of the video, and we try to show you top 10 cyber attacks which happened in that particular month. It helps industry to get idea about what kind of cyber landscape right now exist in the market, and how you can be cyber secured by the preventive mechanism which we are recommending. And so it will be helpful for many companies, starting from manufacturing, school, colleges, till the government organization. So every domain we try to give some kind of cyber crimes happen, that statistics and recommended solution. And also we try to give you the links of the actual news in that report. So this report is published in our cyber news page, Cyber Threat Intelligence Advisor Report, January 2024. So I will be sharing the link of that report also with you. So you can download it and you can forward it in your network. So let's begin with this video. As you must be watching on the screen, this report looks like this. It has the main page where we are specifying which month's report it is. Then it has the key services or the organizations which are responsible for creating this cyber threat intelligence lab report. And it is collaboration with the SecureClaw Incorporation United States, as well as GrassDew IT Solutions Private Limited India, where GrassDew IT Solutions Private Limited, India's group which works in cybersecurity, is popular as a GrassDew Panther. And BDSLCCI is one of our cybersecurity framework. You must be knowing that. And cybersecurity news page is named as SecureClaw Cyber Threat Advisory on the LinkedIn. So these are the responsible entities for creating this report. It is a collaboration of the teams which brings this report in front of you. The objective of this report is to convey cyber threats intelligence which will help organizations to prevent cyber attack by understanding what kind of cyber attacks right now going on in the market, and what kind of threats are under are on the way to the various organization or various sectors of the companies. Apart from that, you can see the top 10 threats of the month. Here is the list. So first threat is talking about AI Heightens ransomware threat. UK Cyber Security Center warns. Then the second threat of the month is HP joins our executive emails was hacked by Russia Club. Then Mercedes-Benz source code leaked via mishandled GitHub token. So this is very serious issue which every organization or every software development team should be taking care. Then Microsoft says test account gave hackers keys to the kingdom. The fifth cyber attack of the month is talking about Notorious spyware maker NSO group is quietly plotting a comeback. Then SEC Twitter hack blamed on SIM swap attack. Then there is a data of 15 million Trello users scrapped and offered for sale on the dark net. So it is also one of the serious kind of crime which happens periodically across the globe. Then the fake fix attack, which is new Chios $4.1 malware hides in the driver download. And ninth attack is research on that North Korean threat group is targeting media organizations. And 10th attack is talking about Subway's news, which is talking about Subway's data was torpedoed by LockBit ransomware gang, according to their claim. So these are various attacks which are part of this report. I will touch base a little couple of attacks for our discussion. Let me discuss with you one cyber attack which happened on the Mercedes-Benz, and where it is evident like source code was leaked of this company due to mishandled GitHub token. So as you can see on the screen, Mercedes-Benz has been reported to have leaked its source code due to a GitHub token leak from an organization employee. So it is generally known as an insider kind of attack, where knowingly or unknowingly, because of the employee's unawareness or the probably in few cases purposefully, the cybercrime happens. In this case, it looks like the mistakenly employee did some kind of configuration changes which caused this cyber attack. And this particular leak was identified during an internet scan from research team, revealing a GitHub repository holding this information. This token gave unrestricted and unmonitored access to the entire source code that was hosted on the internal GitHub enterprise server, which has sensitive information such as intellectual property, which are also known as IP rights, and compromised information, including database connection strings, cloud access keys, blueprints, design documents, SSO passwords, API keys, and other critical information. So, whenever any software application is actually trying to access any database server or database, which is actually working in the backend, so it is very sensitive to retain its connection string. And most of the times, if the connection string has been leaked, so hacker can get the entire access to the database, and they can actually steal the data. So it is very serious kind of a compromise of the information which appeared here. According to the reports shared by Cybersecurity News, if a threat actor had access to this token, there was variety of sensitive information that the threat actor could use for various malicious operations. The threat actor could have utilized this token to retrieve all sensitive information, including API keys, cloud access keys, and many things, to steal data from Mercedes-Benz. Further, this information could have also been sold on dark web and web market and in exchange of bitcoins or any cryptocurrency. Additionally, there could also be financial consequences that could have happened due to data theft, extortion, backdoor deployment, ransomware deployment, and many malicious activities that could benefit the attacker. From a company perspective, if data consists of any kind of consumer information, GDPR or similar kind of data privacy act violations could have been taken place, which could have caused millions of dollars of loss for the business. On the other hand, this also spoils Mercedes-Benz reputation in the market, leading to reduction of its customers' trust followed by loss of the business. So these are the consequences these kind of issues can create. So it is very important that organizations should have a proper cybersecurity posture maintained within the organization. Also, there should be very much important thing which we need to recognize here Like there is a critical need of continuous threat exposure discovery and external attack surface monitoring in cybersecurity for many organizations which are actually dealing with such kind of intellectual property or such kind of source code. As you can see in our report, we are actually explaining the how to prevent this attack in couple of lines, because it's very not easy to share this information in very detailed level. Apart from that, there are attack types which we are explaining in the bulleted point: application which is undergoing cyber attack, also the sector which is undergoing cyber attack, and the region where the cyber crime was having impact. As Mercedes-Benz is worldwide recognized company, and it's having database of various regions and the countries. So I have specified it as all, and I have given you the reference URL which you can refer for reading more detailed information about this cybercrime. So this is one of the example I have gone through, so as you will understand how to read this report and how to utilize this report. At the bottom of this report, we are explaining our four key services offered by SecureClaw in collaboration with GrassDew IT Solutions India. So, first security service which we offer, you must be knowing I am working for improving the cyber security of small and medium enterprises or small and medium businesses, or in India we call it as a MSME, micro, small and medium enterprises. So BDSLCCI, Business Domain Specific Least Cybersecurity Controls Implementation Framework, is one of my innovation which is converted in the platform. So this is one of our key service. You can utilize it by registering free of cost to this framework by going through the bdslcci.com. We also do source code analysis, which is known as static application security testing, where we do security code review of the source code of your mobile application, web applications, ERP, whatever applications you have developed. And we try to give you structured inputs: what are the weaknesses in this source code and how you can make more uses of the secured coding practices. Apart from that, we are doing various kind of vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, which allows you to understand what kind of weaknesses your IT assets has, starting from the mobile application websites, web applications, ERP, or the network devices like firewall or any router. So we try to penetrate, or we try to perform ethical hacking practice to show you vulnerabilities in your IT assets which you need to fix to be cyber secured. Apart from that, especially for the small and medium enterprises, they can't hire any chief information security officer. So we provide them virtual CISO service, like a virtual chief information security officer service, where we actually work closely with them as an annual contract for delivering the cybersecurity services and implementation at their organization. We work as the part of their team. So I have explained all these services in this particular PDF report, so you can have a look at this. And SecureClaw is my second venture. GrassDew IT Solutions is my first venture. And then you always should take precaution, stay safe, stay secure. So that is what we always give as a message. So I hope you enjoyed this report. You can go through each and every issue reported in this report. So it will be helpful for you to be more cyber secured and more cyber resilience. Thank you. I hope today's video was more informative, and please like this video. Please add your comments to this video so as we will get feedback from you. Please write what kind of videos you want to watch in upcoming time. Also share this video with one of your friend for whom it will be more beneficial in his personal, professional or business life. Also subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for being with us.